Welcome to my channel where every story hides a deeper truth. Some stories will inspire you, some will break your heart, and some will change the way you see people forever. So stay till the end because every detail matters.
He left me while I was 6 months pregnant and never came back. I was carrying his child, but that night I became completely alone. I still remember that night, when everything changed. The sky was dark, and heavy rain was falling like it had no mercy. It wasn't just outside, it felt like it was inside me too. I was sitting on the edge of the bed, my hands resting on my baby bump. 6 months pregnant, tired, emotional, and waiting. Waiting for him to come home. He had left in the morning, saying only one thing: "I'll be back soon." But soon never came. Hours passed, then night, then deep midnight, and finally, the door opened. My heart jumped. I stood up quickly, a small smile of relief forming on my face. But that relief disappeared the moment I saw him. He wasn't the same. No warmth, no love, just emptiness in his eyes. "Where were you?" I asked softly. He didn't answer at first. That silence was louder than any words. "I can't do this anymore," he finally said. My smile froze. "What do you mean?" I whispered. He avoided my gaze. "I'm not ready to be a father. I feel trapped. I need to leave." For a moment, I couldn't understand what he said. My mind refused to accept it. I placed my hand on my stomach. My baby moved inside me, as if even he could feel the tension. "You're leaving now?" My voice broke. He nodded. No emotion. No regret. Just a decision. And then, he picked up his bag. That moment felt like time stopped. "Please," I said softly. "We need you." But he didn't stop. He walked past me. And then, the door closed. Long pause. Silence. And in that silence, my world broke. I didn't cry loudly. I couldn't. I just sat there, holding my unborn child, whispering, "It's okay. I'm here. I won't leave you." Days passed. Then weeks. No calls. No messages. Nothing. It was like we never existed in his world. I had no support. No family nearby. No one to hold my hand. But something inside me slowly changed. Pain didn't destroy me. It rebuilt me. I started searching online about pregnancy care. I learned how to stay healthy, how to manage stress, how to survive alone. At night, I would talk to my baby. "You are not alone, even if the world leaves us." I started doing small freelance work from home, writing simple articles. It wasn't much, but it gave me hope. Hope that I could survive. Hope that I could protect my child. Months passed. The pain of abandonment never fully healed, but it became part of my strength. Then came the hardest day. Labor pain. It hit like a storm. I cried. I screamed. I thought I couldn't do it. But I remembered one thing. He left. But I was still here. For my baby. Hours later, I heard a cry. My baby was born. Alive. Healthy. My tears fell instantly, but this time they were not of pain. They were of victory, because I realized something important. Being left alone was not my ending. It was my beginning. Years later, when I look at my child, I don't feel emptiness. I feel strength. And I tell him one truth. Your father left, but we survived. And that is our power. Final pause. Sometimes, the people who leave you behind unknowingly push you toward your strongest version.
Every story leaves behind a lesson. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next story.